That is a lot. Boom. Okay. You think we got it, babe?
We got it.
Into Walmart we go. We got to get the stuff for dinner. Hey, mama. So what do we all need from over here? I know it's Cash said ice.
You need cilantro.
Don't make your Mexican food without a fresh cilantro. I noticed that. She tries to keep it official. Ain't nothing wrong with that, baby. I was also getting lemon. Cash wants a little healthy snack. The kids love these. Only $1.57. Cash, we need to find cilantro. Can you help me? That's spinach. Not gonna happen. Not gonna work. Oh, mom found the cilantro.
Oh yeah, I know.
I was like, can you find it? Only a little bit left. This is how you can tell we're in Arizona. Mexican food is very popular here. You need that cilantro for sure. One day I want to make fresh salsa, babe. That'd be fun.
That's a big lunch.
That is a lot. This is the lettuce we always get. Get this one right here. If there's a bigger thing for the family, we'll do the 313. Do we have tomatoes? We're not sure, so let's grab it. All right, how much is that?
Some tomatoes, these are $1.88 a bag.
188, cool. Some meat for taco night. Babe, what do you prefer? Ground beef or ground turkey for tacos?
I prefer ground turkey. I like ground beef as well, but ground turkey is just a little bit better for you. We get either one.
All right, and then it's cheaper than ground beef usually. Well, how come I don't see the cheaper ones? That's $5. Is that? It's not really a major deal.
10, 20 for how many? 3 pounds?
Yeah.
And that's 10, 12 for 3 pounds. So.
All right. Comparison prices to ground beef and ground turkey.
So this is for 3 pounds, $17.22.
$17.22. All right. Look at Cash.
Actually, it's for 5 pounds it's 17,
and
then 3 pounds is 12.24.
So it is cheaper for turkey always. Yes. Look at this dude. These are the tortillas we're going to use to do our double-decker style Taco Bell taco. These are 318, yeah, low carb. So that's on Walmart has low carb tortillas.
Walmart has low carb 6 net grams, but it's more than the
like that brand.
That brand.
Oh, then Walmart buy.
Yeah,
like we know for sure these are good. Nah, not today.
Not Walmart.
Definitely got to get some beans. Get a few of the Goya Pinto beans. Look at all these Taco Bell sauces just selling out. We tried the Baja. We're not really a fan of the Baja Taco Bell one. These, I would pick one of these. Comment down below, which one would you try? Spicy Ranchero, Avocado Ranch, or Chipotle? Which one, Cash, would you? Chipotle. You can handle that spice, Cash? That's going to be spicy.
Yeah, I can.
Avocado Ranch is more our style. Avocado Ranch, that's the one that only has 2 left, so everybody must like it.
Let me just say something.
What's up?
Y'all, if you have not tried this, I know.
$5 for some taco seasoning?
Yes. However, very worth it. And I only used half of it, so I still have half left.
We got to get the stand and stuffed shells, and we can get these or the 10-pack. Which one you want, the 15 or the 10-pack?
I'm going to go ahead and get this since we are recreating a Taco Bell.
Right. This is a 10-pack. Honestly, I think this will work. I'm telling you, we have more at home shells. So Mom said it's only a couple more cents. You might as well get it. Go ahead, Mama.
Go
okay,
ahead.
say that moonlay.
Yes.
For a family of 7, we got to do what we got to do. All these goodies. Let's get home.
Let's get to cooking.
Let's cook. Let's get it. Let's go. Mom's in the kitchen getting the meat ready for our Taco Bell. What do they call them? Crunch wraps?
Yes.
Crunch wrap.
Crunch wraps.
Is that the one with the taco? Double decker?
Double decker.
Yeah.
First I use the Taco Bell seasoning in there, some minced garlic, some cut up onions, some granulated onion powder, garlic powder, of course seasoning salt,
and then
black pepper and slapping
Mom, you're making that Spanish rice and the recipe is going to be on your channel, right?
Yes. The recipe will be on my channel. And it is not traditional Spanish rice. It's the way K Money wants to make Spanish rice.
Hey.
But that'll be on my channel.
Cool. And that channel is K Money Elliott TV. Just to let you all know, I love how Mom uses fresh cilantro in all of our Mexican food. I think my skills are rubbing off on her, and yeah, you know, that's what happens when you get married to a chef.
Did I just hear you say your skills?
It is my skills. You know?
Excuse you.
Mom's gonna get the refried beans together, and just a really quick sneak peek at the recipe. Hey, that's what Mom's making, Spanish rice, but you'll see the whole thing again on her channel. But yeah, she's making them refried beans. Go ahead, Mama. First thing you do is put the tortilla down. Go ahead and get some color. It's gonna be popping a little bit. You're gonna see these bubbles. Whoa. All right, let's see. Get a little bit more color. I'll pop that. Should be browning on the edges pretty good. Pick it over. Ooh, wee, that looks goody. Get some more color on this side. Get it ready. All right, there is the tortilla. It's a lot of color on there. Way more color than I wanted. I'll tell you that much. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the refried beans, even layer of head. Boom. Okay. Now, once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and on the tortilla, right? And I'm trying to be quick because as it like cools down, it's gonna be harder and harder. My God, to go ahead and fold it. No, temp 2, and we're gonna keep it raw and uncut. I'm not gonna overcook it this time. Just get a little bit of color. There we go. Turn. Taco Bell don't be that crispy. That is off. Put on the refried beans. Like I said, you have to be quick.
Have to be quick.
Boom.
And then the cheese.
Cheese goes on. Okay, y'all. Boom. Okay. You think we got it, babe?
We got it.
Yeah. All right.
Now fill it.
Time to get the meat in here. That's a lot of meat.
That's a lot of meat.
And then I like to always put my cheese down once I get the meat down. Something like that. You know what I mean? Okay. Yeah, I just throw it in like that. Don't judge me.
And that's a piece of cilantro. Just for anybody who thinks it's something else.
Some lettuce. And this thing is huge. Some Taco Bell avocado ranch. And then a little bit of
a dollop of sour cream.
A little bit of that. Wamp that. Look at that.
And
we're gonna do a taste test and find out if it's really better than Taco Bell, because I think it is. Cash and Sean, are you ready for a bite? Go ahead, man. Sean? Dang, dude. Kendrick, babe, do you want a bite? He don't know where to go. Faith is pushing him. Whoa, look at his face. You want a bite, Faith? They're not bad. Does it taste like Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think it tastes like Taco Bell, son?
Yeah.
Oh. It must be bussin'. Taco Bell, but better. Oh, you heard that, babe? How do you like yours? Because you have your own.
It's very good.
Very good. All right, y'all. Popping up on the screens, another suggested video. Say, stay blessed.
My favorite. Peace.
Peace.